Hemant Dhonde from C-Probe Technologies LLP Pune. He is going to talk about concreting with confidence using Industry 4.0 C technology. Dr. Hemant Dhonde has combined 25 years of local and international work experience as an engineer, professor, researcher, mentor, consultant, and entrepreneur in diversified fields. He received his BE in Civil Engineering in 1997, ME in Geotechnical Engineering in 2000 from the University of Pune, and his Ph.D. in Materials and Structural Engineering from the University of Houston, USA in 2006. Presently, he is serving as a founder partner at C-Probe Technologies LLP Pune and other ventures in Pune, India. Let's welcome Mr. Hemant B. Dhonde.
We have received a good outlook from our speakers, panel members. One is from the architectural point of view, one is from the sustainability point of view of the materials being used in future and presently coming future. I'll present today a unique technology that we are manufacturing here in Pune, made in India, for India, and this technology is promising and also delivering the main topic of this today's discussion to future-proof high-rise and build spaces. This technology is called the concrete maturity meter system technology. It's very well established throughout the world, but recent in India, it's been introduced by our company. So our motto for our company and this product is concreting with confidence. Because when we want to build infrastructure, build spaces, that too considering the future challenges and future needs, we need to ensure the materials and the technologies used in creating these spaces to sustain, to be resilient. And when I say resilient, it means that these structures should withstand distress, damage without affecting their performance. Now, each project, each build space, each high-rise will have its own set of requirements. It will have its own market life. Usually, you'll see that mid-rise and low-rise buildings have a market life of around 20-25 years, and then they get demolished and redeveloped. Similarly, future tall buildings, when I say tall buildings more than 50 meters in height, these buildings will have a market life, a signified market life. So we have to cater for that as well. So quality control on the design aspect, that is, comes from the architecture, and the structural aspect and the construction aspects needs to be covered. This product I'm going to talk today conforms to Industry 4.0, specifically C, where C stands for construction when this technology is applied in construction sector. So concreting with confidence is what we bring to the industry. The aim of this technology is to reduce or eliminate deficiencies and inefficiencies in today's construction activity. When I say deficiency and inefficiencies, they are primarily the deficiencies and inefficiencies are brought together by human intervention. So this technology automatically speaks for autonomous, less human intervention in the futuristic construction activities. We have taken one step ahead by introducing this particular technology that uses less of human intervention and hence is more reliable than the conventional technology. Industry 4.0, we all know it's a conglomerate of so many things that speaks for autonomous, automated, smart, intelligent, and less of human intervention systems. Construction industry is slowly but surely adopting some of these attributes of Industry 4.0. So I've coined a new name, Industry 4.0 C, where C stands for Civil Concrete Construction, that primarily uses industrial Internet of Things, connected devices, integration approach, cloud computation, big data analysis, and such autonomous systems. When you use these autonomous systems together in construction, it ensures the sustainability and performance level required for future-proofing our builds. This is a report recently published by ACEUpdate. I've just taken some out of it. Future buildings in 2050 will be alive, it will be breathable, because I see a question which challenges the encroachment of such tall buildings and spaces in vertical region. Now, Singapore has set a very good example of where only gone up, but they have gone down. Instead of going horizontal, they have gone up and down. When you go down wherever it's possible, it helps in achieving a balance between environment and the built environment. So this is very important to have a holistic approach in all kinds of design involved in the build spaces. Also, the future buildings will be energetic. The spaces themselves radiate energy, not only conserve energy but radiate energy. It will be full of activities, but it will have low energy impact. Now that is what we should aim for, what we are aiming for when we are trying to develop technologies that will serve the purpose of future-proofing our next generation of buildings. So now here is a civil engineering point of view. As a structural engineer, as a civil engineer, I would focus more on the superstructure. However, when I say tall buildings, everybody looks at the skyline up in the sky, but they fail to see the bottom side of the superstructure. That is what is underground, and that is the substructure, which is as vital as the superstructure for its longevity, its safety, and functionality. We have complaints of less parking space, we have complaints of less space, and hence Singapore has set an example where construction going down is also happening, and we have to pay more attention to the substructure development along with the superstructure and the peripheral structures which are more neglected. The substructure, I can give you a very recent example of the Leaning Tower of Chicago, which is the Millennium Tower. Because of negligence to the superstructure, this G+55-story building is tilted and settled and is creating havoc. So this kind of ignorance we cannot afford for our future and prominent and upcoming buildings. Secondly, our thought as a structural engineer, as a material engineer and a construction engineer should focus on how the material and the structure together at all these levels, up and down and spread out horizontally, peripheral structures will work together in symphony to offer resilient structures. If you want to make resilient structures, your quality of concrete, your quality of steel, materials used in construction, composites, and the technologies themselves have to be quality proof. Now, it's very difficult to have quality proofs because it's a human intervention based system nowadays. Hence, it entails, it's important, it's vital that we shift and adopt technologies that will minimize human intervention in day-to-day construction activity, thereby achieving the targeted future-proof buildings. Our motto of developing this technology in India and offering it in India is to accelerate and build with confidence. How do we get this confidence? I'll explain in a brief. Our concrete maturity meter system, it is a real-time non-destructive test. It will tell the real-time performance of your placed concrete, unlike the tube testing that is conventionally done and which is unreliable and brings a lot of problems with the quality of placed concrete. This system that we have developed will ensure effective, reliable, accurate and timely information to the engineers on site related to the concrete performance, the concrete strength and its behavior, the concrete that is placed in the structure. This is the beauty of this solution. This is the meter that we speak of. It's consists of a system because it has software, firmware, hardware and so many all together working together in tandem, but necessarily it's just a meter that measures the hydrating energy of the placed concrete and correlates it to the strength. And this is the Industry 4.0 C application which we are now offering to the Indian market, which is affordable, available and produces reliable and efficient construction. We call it WISE technology. Now we are transitioning from usage of smart technology to intelligent technology. And this is the first step that we are taking to use WISE technologies, because future-proof buildings will require adaptation of WISE technologies, not just smart and intelligent. We claim that our maturity meter system is wise technology because we have embedded in it not only artificial intelligence analytics but also artificial wisdom for the first time in the world. Our system gives you real-time reliable data about your concrete's behavior so you can take effective decisions, timely decisions, safe decisions related to the various activities on the site. You can get this information on connected devices anywhere, anytime, and to all the stakeholders to bring transparency and fraud through quality control. It can be used in plants, sites, and labs all together at one time. Hence, our system enables the producer to create smarter concrete, reliable concrete, concrete with confidence, and it can reduce certain time-consuming, energy-consuming activities such as concrete cube tests by at least 50% or more. Our technology is low-scale, it demands very less skill, and it is high-tech, one of the most advanced technologies in India in this domain. All these key points help us to optimize our construction activity. So we can save time, we can save resources, we can save manpower, and allocate this in timely and effective way to offer sustainable construction. As 456 prescribes the use of maturity technique, also the tall building code IS 16700 also prescribes the use of such technologies in controlling the QA/QC of placed concrete. You can use our technology, the concrete maturity meter system, in the various time-dependent and safety-dependent activities of construction to save time and achieve safety as well. For de-shuttering, post-tensioning, pre-tensioning, cycle time, curing times, lifting, going to the next levels, all these activities can be optimized by at least 20%. So that's a huge return on investment, basically. Our current clients are L&T, who has been using our meters for the last 1 year. They recently used it for a mid-rise building for CIDCO project in Ulve, which they call as a Mission 96 Tower, where they are building 96 flats in 96 days, which they achieved successfully using our meters as well. Our meters played a small role in delivering them reduction in cycle time and reduction in the cube testing requirement. Space Tech is also using our meters for Dubai Municipal Corporation construction of hospital building, and there are many other upcoming users and current users. These are the upcoming users of our systems. Our key role is not just to manufacture and sell this product, which is a patented product with copyrights, but it is also to train and support our users in adopting this futuristic technology required for future-proofing our build spaces. We also advise and do R&D. We are already created and developed some advanced technologies, which is a step ahead of maturity meters, which will soon launch. Thank you. I think this is what I will cover in the civil aspect and the Industry 4.0 C aspect, which we are catering to as a C-Probe Technologies company in Pune. Thank you.